the drag and drop function works a little bit differently in versiondog compared to Windows Explorer, and I'm just going to show you those differences. Let's see, if we were to use Windows Explorer logic here and want to drag and drop this component into this folder, we would click on it and try to move it, and as we can see, absolutely nothing's happening. And the reason for that is that nothing is checked out here, it's all grayed out. So the first thing to do is check out. There we go. Now let's go back to our Windows Explorer logic, and I want to move this component from here, from this folder area 1 into this folder area 2. So click on, move, all looks good so far. Let go. Now we've got two, the old location and the new location, and this is not grayed out, which means it's present on the client, and we can see that it's present on the server. And here it's also not grayed out, but we can see that versiondog is asking us to check it in, so it's not on the server. If this were a move, then the old location would be grayed out, and the new location would not be asking you to check in a base version. So it's a copy. And in versiondog, if you drag and drop, it does work as a copy. That's a bit like dragging from one volume to another volume in Windows Explorer. And don't forget, in versiondog, when you copy a component, it only copies the component's name, its component type, and the master data. Right, so let's just go back now to before we did that. Now, if I press Shift and now go through the drag and drop process again, in the old location, the component is now grayed out, which means it's only on the server and not present locally. And in the new location, it's not asking us to check in a base version, which means this is a move. If I check it in now, we will see that it disappears in the old location. So in versiondog, if you do not hold Shift, then drag and drop is a copy, and to make it a move, hold the Shift key.